Speaker sir, I rise to support demands placed on the table of the House, demand number 7, 15, 16, 33, 52, 60, 72. And I would like to first bring it to the notice of the Honorable Minister. I will go into the full demands for grants for the year 2024-25, the list for discussion on demands. Waste management is nowhere there in that. It is science and technology. I think you should create that waste management head and take a budget head separate from Honorable CM, because that is the main thing in Goa we are looking forward from you to take care of the waste which is there. Speaker sir, I want to first congratulate the Honorable Minister, because Sansado, I remember in these so many years I was there in this house, all the time this issue used to come. Ultimately it has been cleared. Small thing which is there which is being removed. Kakoda plant we आम्ही commission केलो waste management under, and he has been instrumental in bringing the e-stamp. He is also who reduced a lot of pending cases with the collectors by continuously following up. He is also in the process of giving, just now Digambar Kamat Baba Sangle immediate relief, which was never happening. I think there is not only in one case, it should be everywhere. So the first time असे झाले 2 लाख रोकडे काढून दिले. I don't know, maybe it was influenced by honorable MLA and phone करून भी तुका सांगले. पण असे it should be entire Goa आम्ही follow up करता माहिती 2000-5000 काढून देता. असे जापच आहे ना. तेच म्हणतात 2000-5000. So please you go, because every time estimates are prepared. आता करून घेऊचे speaker sir. आज तू एक initiative घेऊन banned on transfer of agricultural land. Also be हे करून तू the ban केला is a good thing what you have done. But still then, सगळे positive असताना, I will try to tell some things which I think still can be improvised in your system. आज DSLR, ISLR जे department तुझे under असा, आज तुम्ही सांग्यार करता म्हणला बजेट स्पीचीन ते बेगीन करचे कित्याक आमचे कॅपेन लोड जाला आनी मागीर ताका 2-4 जाले तो 1 दिलो. पूण इश्यू इज वॉट हॅपनिंग, लॉट ऑफ केसीस पेंडींग उरता लोकांच्यो, आनी हें उरता तेन्ना फॉर वेरियस स्मॉल इश्यूज हांव परतून रिपीट करता. When I was a minister, I know I should come and follow up. Right? Lately, I have not been following up. But I think you should go ahead with that. One is, first thing is, जे common boundary, म्हणजे village boundary, अजूनही ते settle करू ना. माझे 3 cases हांवें दिल्ल्यो, almost 1 year back. आणि I told you super हे जाल्लें आसा, but somehow your department is not ready to take it up as a challenge. I said take for my constituency. You remember that? अजूनही करू ना. म्हणजे I explained to you there is no man's land in between 2 village boundaries. Almost 3,000 square meters of land or 4,000 square meters of land. Whether it is not here also, not there also, it is not settled. So I think this type of cases you should take up. And village boundaries are problem everywhere in Goa. But because it is there, you cannot remove. Today digitalization, today technologies have changed. Artificial intelligence has come. Everything is in proper shape. So I think you should be able to do it. Kindly take it up, Speaker sir. Cases pending like ISLR, I will tell you. Now I have taken up as an MLA, because I am free now, as an MLA, acquisitions done in 1970s and in block survey are still not transferred in government land. Subsequently, those people have sold that land and they have mutated and partitioned government lands. I have taken up. Now I will be coming back to you and your law secretary and you also, is what is the solution for this problem? Because this was acquired in block surveys. And now when you go to put in the survey map, आता सर्वे रोड आसा, पूण ताका मार्टिशन आनी म्युटेशन केला, हाका कायदो ना, तो करूंक पडटलो तुका, कसो करपाक, गव्हर्मेंटाचे जागे ते. सो ह्या सगळे गोश्टी म्हाका दिसता तुवें बसपाक जाय, टायम दिवपाक जाय आनी करून घेवपाक जाय. आनी हेजे खातीर हांवें तुका लेटर बरयल्लें आसा ऑलरेडी, आनी ताका सोल्युशन काडपाचें हें तुवें पळोवपाक जाय स्पीकर सर. कित्याक आज म्हाज्या मतदारसंघान जेन्ना रस्ते आमी करपाक वयता, कोण 1 स्क्वेअर इंच ना वाडोवपाक, पूण एक्वायर केल्ले जागे आजून पार्टिशन जावं ना. सो हाका सिम्प्लिफायड प्रोसेस करपाक जाय. And what simplified process करपाक तुझे हातीन आसा. हे कशें करपाक, you are the government. So you should bring the solution to this problem, and I want you to have a meeting during the assembly session after, because I didn't want to demand, तुझे demands आसले आज, I didn't want to, but after that I want you to put it on record. I'm bringing on record that I've asked you time and this to bring on entire department so that I can tell you and highlight what are the issues, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, when we go to land recall and settlement, as I told you, आमचे जे 114 आशिल्ले, हितू भितर थोड्यो गोश्टी जेन्ना सर्वे प्लॅनार घरां दाखयल्ली आसा ते एरिया भितर तूं कन्वर्जन करून दिता, म्हणजे तितले सेटलमेंट तुका एप्लिकेबल ना, म्हणजे तुजे कन्वर्जन सनदाचे तितले मायनस करता. पूण स्पीकर सर हे केले 1972 आनी 1972 आमी घर मातशें वाडयल्लें आनी त्याच घराक एक्सटेंशन केल्लें आसा, ताका सोल्युशन तुवें काडूंक ना अजुनूय. आता हितू भितर ते घर जर कवर करता, कित्याक फॅमिली तेन्ना आशिल्ली, तुवें सरकारान टॉयलेट बांदपाक लागल्यो, तुवें सरकारान खुबशी गोश्टी करपाक लागल्यो, तो एक 4-5 मिटर वाडयल्या, लेट देम हॅव द बेनिफीट because it is because of the government responsibilities that they have extended the houses. So let them come on the survey. I have seen in cases, my constituencies, where they have put in cases, and I have been following with deputy collector, but he is unable to bring solutions. Those people have to take a demolition notice काढल्या. म्हणजे त्यांचे घर 70% or 65-70% of the घर is houses inside the survey boundary in the तुझ्या plan भितर, and 25% of the extension house now is asking to break. So somewhere solutions are key. Common people is the people. We have to find solutions to these problems. I have been telling you, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, दुसरी गोष्ट जी आसा, जे आज आमी पळयता की तुवें 2016 आमी रेग्युलेशन एक्ट काडलेलो आनी आजुनूय त्यो केसीस काबार जायना फॉर वेरियस रिजन्स. आतां म्हाका सांग स्पीकर सर, तूं रेव्हेन्यू मिनिस्टर आनी तितू भितर एक्टा भितर TCPचे सगळे कन्करन्स घेवपाक जाय आशिल्ले. आतां तितू TCP भितर हांव जर इन्फ्लुएन्शियल आसा जाल्यार हांवें जर एप्लिकेशन घातलें जाल्यार म्हजो झोन चेंज जाता. तुवें खबर आसा. आतां तूं रेव्हेन्यू मिनिस्टराचें जें म्हजें घर ऑलरेडी बांदलेलें आसा, आतां तेका रेग्युलरायज करपाक मागता, हांव पयशे भरता, हांव आतांचे 2016चे पयलींची घरां, तेका तूं TCP सांगता हें तें म्हणटा आनी तूं करून दिना. म्हाका समजना कितें आहा स्पीकर सर. कायदो बदल परतून आनी करून दी. म्हाका समज गायडलायन्स तूं चेंज कर. गायडलायन्स तुवें केल्ली आसा. सो गायडलायन्स हे करपाक म्हणजे तुजें तेंच घर जर हांवें वचून TCP कडेन एप्लिकेशन केल्लें म्हणजे करेक्शन करपाक तें जाता, पूण तुजे कडेन म्हजें रेग्युलेशन करपाक जाय न्हय. कित्याक स्पीकर सर? हेजेर मातशें तुवें लक्ष घालचें स्पीकर सर. स्पीकर सर, बिकॉज रेग्युलेशन इज युअर एक्ट, इट इज नॉट अ TCP एक्ट. And I think people have been staying for donkeys years in those houses, and they are now trying to get it regularized. Only land belonging to them. Forget Komidat, forget that. I'll take it separately. But तुझे आपणाच्या जाग्या भितर जे करपाक जाय हेजे तुवें लक्ष घालून करपाक जाय स्पीकर सर. दुसरी हांवें म्हज्या मतदारसंघाचें सांगलें स्पीकर सर. म्हज्या मतदारसंघान अशी 17 घरां आसा, हांव फॉलोअप करीत आसा, आनी 17 घरां खामामोळे वाठारांत जे सर्वे प्लॅनार लागलेली आसा. अंडर द रेग्युलेशन ऑफ एन्क्रोचमेंट ऑन गव्हर्मेंट लँड, दे आर एम्पावर्ड टू बी. 20 वर्सां जालीं स्पीकर सर, तेंचें आजुनूय रेग्युलेशन जायना. एक डॉक्युमेंट मागला, दुसरो डॉक्युमेंट मागता, तिसरो डॉक्युमेंट मागता, फायली वयर येता, सकयल वयता स्पीकर सर. म्हाका खबर ना तेंची घरां लागलेली आहा सर्वे प्लॅन, आनी कितें दिवपाचें तुका डॉक्युमेंट. तेंचे पुर्वजाचें नांव आसा, म्हणजे म्हज्या बापायचें वा म्हज्या आज्याचें नांव आसा. आतां हांव तो म्हजो आजो आनी बापूय मेलो, आतां हांव चिंतो आहा. सो ही शोईंग दॅट इट इज बिलॉंगींग टू मी. आतां तूं तेका आनी डॉक्युमेंट हाड म्हणटा, तूं शो दॅट इज हाऊसेस. आय डोंट अंडरस्टँड. मातशें बसून घे, म्हाका ही मिटींग म्हाका जाय. आय एम ब्रिंगिंग ऑन द फ्लोर ऑफ द हाऊस. इट कॅनॉट कंटिन्यू. This week you have this. I'm just telling you, clarify, because they're just running around the bush. And Regulation Act is under you. I'm not saying regularize new structures. This way they are regularized by you, showing in the survey plan with their names in 114. They are asking for regulation. This type of cases should be taken immediately. 20 years is not take 18-20 years. Speaker sir, दुसरी गोष्ट असा हांवें सांगला की आता केसीस जे आसा where government has acquired land आणि त्यांचे तुझे ISLR कडेन म्युटेशन पार्टिशन जायना. थोड्यो एक्वायशन केला पूण तांकां 1 in 14 जावंक ना म्हूण ते आतां आपल्याच्या नांवार हाडना. आतां त्यो तुजे कडेन पेंडींग आसा, लायक आमचे कुडचड्या वयले म्हणजे केपें आतां मडगांव पेंडींग आसा. दे आर हेल्पिंग, दे आर गुड ऑफिसर्स, नॉट दॅट, बट एवरी टायम यू हॅव टू पॉयंट आउट, एवरी टायम वाय इज दॅट. सो केसीस वीच आर एक्वायर्ड बाय गव्हर्मेंट लॉंग बॅक because their names are not come in 114, that is why the government name is not coming. But that is a different issue. Let the other part be remain like that only, but your cases should be finalized. म्हणजे तुझे एका म्हणटा कितें तें आमगेले for these cases are pending within your court in Margaon, because DC cases म्हणटा पळय त्यो. So why it is so lot of the so many cases are there. You compile them together and find solutions, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, you remember that in the past, as I said, we were flying to find solution for Komidat issues. There was an act brought in 2001, and there was a section amendment, Article 372A. I have spoken to you also, and it was a specific date, because somebody has a different mindset of a different date, that is up to them. But they are already enjoying. I am also part of a Komidat. I am a Zonekar. I am also a shareholder. But if lands have been encroached for so many years, and there is nothing coming to the Komidat, we are not going to be able to break those houses also because of humanitarian grounds. We go to court. So if this act was introduced in 372A in 2001, it's still there. It is just because some affidavit was given in Supreme Court doesn't mean that act is not there. Act is there. You please reintroduce and regularize those people at least. They will pay their money. Whichever cut-off date you come, they will pay the money in the Komidat. At least I don't know about other Komidat. आमचे मतदारसंघ आमचे Komidat काय problem ना. So please do it. I have been telling you. So I think you have to find solution. Because as Benji said, he put a nice poem for you. So that poem reflection should come in realistic ways, which you do. Which you, if you want, you can do. I know that. But you please take it into account and please get it done, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, दोनों 3 मिनटां दोनों तुम्ही आणि उलयता Speaker sir. तुमकां खबर आसा Speaker sir, that regional plan was based on the 2021, which is there. Revenue code is much before that, in 1968. Regional plan and on off gets differentiated. But your 1968 under rule of Sanad, under rule 11, I think you look into the examination of that. You are more powerful than the TCP. And as I said, you have to provide, see, under the rules, Goa Dam and Due Land Revenue Conversion of Use of Land to Non-Agricultural 1969, Rule 1, on regulation Sanad to be granted. So I'm talking about, you understand what I'm saying. Sanads are your baby, not their baby. So if I ask for you a Sanad for conversion, you ask me to ask TCP. So TCP, whether it is settlement zone is the first question. Now, whether it is settlement zone, you ask for the certificate. You put in your system, regional plan 2021 is integrated. Maybe not up-to-date with the new conversions. But I think together with artificial intelligence, you can do it on yourself in your office itself. So please look into those things. That's why I'm saying I will not repeat all this again. You asked, you said next week you're going to make a meeting. I will bring this entire agenda. There's another thing I would like to bring to your notice. Don't minute this speaker sir. Under the science and technology, as I was telling you, Kuchade waste treatment zalo. I've been following with chairman. I put issue kadla. 5,000 square meter to a जागो घेऊन आमकां म्युनिसिपालिटीक पोतून दिवपाक जाय. हो इशू पोतून रिपीट जाता. 3 वर्सां पयलीं कॅबिनेटान एप्रूव जाला. हांव नागो कित्याक हांवें एनओसी दिल्या जाग्याचे ओनराची. कित्याक टायम लागता म्हाका खबर ना. तो जागो एक्वायर करून आमकां म्युनिसिपालिटीक दिवपाक. आमी बाकीची आतां मडगांवची गार्बेज बी घेवपाक लागल्या. सो म्हाका खबर ना कितें जालां तें बंद करपाक जाय. हांवें करता. एनओसी दिली. आमी एनओसी दिवन 1 वर्स जालें एनओसी दिल्या. ते एक्वायर करपाक तुका लँड ओनराची. सो यू कन्सेंट म्हणल्यार एक्विशन करून आमकां हँडओवर कर न्ही स्पीकर सर. लोक म्हाका विचारता तुका काय ना तूं सरकाराचो म्हणटा तूं कित्याक करून घेयना म्हणटा. सो आय एम रिक्वेस्टिंग एज मिनिस्टर ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर चेअरमॅन ऑल्सो एग्रीड बट somehow I don't know what is something lacking. Then please tell me. Are you ask people? I had a meeting. You have made a committee. आमच्या मतदारसंघात पयर कमिटी केली. यू हॅव अप्रूव्ड. CM has approved and now we are monitoring. But ते 5,000 square meter जे म्युनिसिपालिटीक दिवपाक जाय to take care of their because they want to put an incineration for animals, dead animals. We want to put an incineration plant there in that 5,000 incineration for dead bodies because sometimes people cannot afford today. As there are bodies which are not there, so we want an installation there also. So 2 different places. So we want that land because we don't have the land which was there with us. We have taken. So please see that it is given before the next assembly session with everything. We don't want a 3,500 with a tri-party agreement. We want 5,000 independently for us. Because sir, secondly, Honorable Chief Minister has been there on the assembly last session that we are taking garbage from various places. Other people are refusing. Kuchera people are not refused. Till today your tender has not come. Don't give me excuses. Why that tender of Kuchera constituency on the floor of the house which was promised by you and Honorable Chief Minister, why the tender is still not come, Speaker sir? My people should be, why they should be paying garbage fees? They are taking from other, सगळ्या वयल्यान आपणा garbage नाका, तांकां garbage नाका म्हणटा. आमी जेन्ना घेता, आमकां tourism belt ना, आमचो जाता 20-25 टन दिसाक. आमी घेता 100 टन. So म्हाका दिसता हें खंय तरी तुमी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशना कडेन that's why I said administratively you are good but you should get it done. Then only people will say. So मातशें तें मातशें करून घेवचें कित्याक I promise that next financial year we will do only nominal 1 rupee charge from every household. This has to happen for my constituency because we are here to help the government, Speaker sir. Because very important issue, Speaker sir. तुवें तुजो सोसडो काबार गेलो म्हणून ओगी रावता तूं. तेणें केलो तुजो काबार. तूं वर्सां वचूंक हांव कितले वर्सां जाल्यार पळयतालो तुका बोवाळ मारतालो तो सोसडो. आतां सोडो तेका थँक्यू तूं म्हणचो ना. हांवें म्हटलं थँक्यू तेका कित्याक आमकां वास येतालो वयता तेन्ना. पूण म्हजो कुचेडे सोसडो करपाक दिवचो ना. सो हेजेर खातीर तुवें मातशें करून घेवचें स्पीकर सर. स्पीकर सर जाल्यार 2 मिनटां घेता स्पीकर सर. 2च मिनटां घेता स्पीकर सर. स्पीकर सर वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंटच्या उलयतना हे 2 गोश्टी हांवें सांगला. पूण एक व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट जी गोश्ट आसा सायन्स एंड टॅक्नॉलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट तुजे कडेन आहा. आमचे भुरगे आज पळयता म्हाज्या मतदारसंघात काल काकोडकर भुरगे स्कुलाचे भुरगे तांकां दे हॅव गॉट इनोवेशन प्रायज. दे आर नाव गोइंग टू रिप्रेझेंट द स्टेट. वॉट हॅव यू गिवन फॉर देम? वॉट आर यू डुईंग फॉर देम? Why are you not? Because today the young minds are there. They are sitting in front of us. They have got innovative ideas, but sometimes they lack funds. They are unable to give. And your schemes are all outdated. You bring in new schemes for these young boys and girls who are there to do innovation because these people are future of our country. Robotics is one thing. Honorable CM is doing education system, but science and technology is a big department. Innovation is there. So please bring in schemes for these young friends of ours who are here to help us in supporting new inventions. Their minds work in different directions, Speaker sir. And it is you who have to bring in. If you want my help, I can make this for you and give it to you. But I think every school, there should be somewhere where these youngsters are given an opportunity because they don't have financial stability. Parents refuse to give them because sometimes sometimes the innovations are far bigger than what you can and I can imagine. So I think you should bring in something. CM has brought in robotics, one thing. That is different, but that is not enough. There are so many other inventions we can bring. As I told you yesterday, I'll share the report of yesterday. My students, two students who have been selected to be ISRO, part of ISRO, and they will be representing Goa in Delhi. So there are a lot of people like this, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, अनेक मिनट घेता Speaker sir. आणि आमचे लेबर अँड एम्प्लॉयमेंटाचे हांव ESI हॉस्पिटलाचे उलयलां. Wherever I could speak, I am speaking it again. ESI हॉस्पिटल बरें बांदलेलें आहा. तेन्ना काँग्रेस गव्हर्मेंट आशिल्लें ओवरनायट BJP येवपाचें म्हूण खबर आसलें. 2 दीस पयलीं इनॉग्रेशन केल्लें. तुका खबर आहा, हांवें सांगपा नाका. पूण तें आतां इनॉग्रेशन करून आतां 15 वर्सां 12 वर्सां जालीं. तेका फूल फ्लॅज प्रॉपर डॉक्टर्स करपाक जाय. पयलीं तुमी ESI, आय एम अ बिझनेसमॅन, म्हाजे ESI आय एम पेईंग अराउंड 85 पीपल ESI, बट दे डोंट हॅव एनी बेनिफिट्स. वाय शूड आय पे यू? Why should they be paid? I have been telling this every time. And सदां सांगता Speaker sir that ESI हॉस्पिटला भितर तुमी काडटा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल हाडटा, मागीर काडटा GMCन धाडटा. जे लोकल आसा तांकांय त्रास. पयशे तुमचे कडेन आसा Speaker sir, पयशे ना दुसरे भशेन. सो थंय पयलीं कितें जातलें, बिफोर द हॉस्पिटल दे गिव्स यू रिकमेंड टू Apollo, Vikata Hospital, other hospitals for doing the surgeries. That also you have stopped. You first go to government. So why should I pay you for ESI? Please put in प्रॉपर स्पेशलिस्ट. तुवें आवडता आसतना 100 नर्सी एडवर्टायजमेंट दिल्लो, तो नर्सी ना आनी कांयच ना, एडवर्टायजमेंट ना. म्हणजे सांगपाचें कितें आहा? नो, बट GMC डोंट हॅव सर. Speaker sir, GMC is for people, common people. They are not for people who are being paid by ESI. They are paying ESI. Their contribution is there. Employees' contribution is there. Why should you send them to GMC? You don't send them. You make your hospital. You tie up with other people. Let them also try. वाय फर्स्ट GMC इतलो ओवरलोड जाता, कितले लोक आसा Speaker sir. डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलान अजून ते करता म्हणटा करताले, पण तू ESI करून दाखय न्ही. तुझ्या भितर सगळे ऑपरेशन थिएटर आहा, सगळे वेअर इज बींग यूज्ड. सो मातशें कर Speaker sir, because that is I am going to ask you every time now and then Speaker sir. Speaker sir, लास्ट एकूच सावंड परमिशन जे आसा हें ऑनलायन सिस्टम करपाक जाय. बिकॉज हार्ड कॉपी दिवपाची गरज ना वेरेवर. सो तुवें आतां सगळे सिस्टम तुजे ऑनलायन केल्ले आसा आणि सावंड परमिशन ऑनलायन करून एप्लाय ते पयशे भरपाचे सिस्टम 3000 रुपया 2000 रुपया कोणाक जाय ते करतले. सो फिजिकल मुवमेंट ते बंद करप, ऑनलायन एप्लिकेशन एक डिवायस करून GL कडेन करचें घेवचें. आणि लास्ट CM आतां इज देअर इन द हाऊस. आय वूड रिक्वेस्ट दॅट द 3rd डिस्ट्रिक्ट, म्हणजे 2 कलेक्टर आहा, 3rd डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर आमचे केपें तालुक्यात कवरींग सांगे, काणकोणा आणि आमचे धारबंदरा भाग, बिकॉज आमचे बॅकवर्ड क्लास आसा ते थंयच्यान मडगांव वचप आनी थंय रावन कलेक्टराचे खूब टायम लागता. सो हांव रिक्वेस्ट करतलो अंडर ST, म्हणजे फंड खूब आसा, तो एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टराचे बिल्डींग जावचें थंय एरिया भितर. बिकॉज दॅट इज द केपें इज द बिगस्ट तालुका ऑफ ST. केपें तालुका हायस्ट तालुका इन एंटायर Goa. So I am asking Honorable CM to make the 3rd district of revenue in Kepe Taluka, which can cover Kankon and other districts, so that we can have a proper district there, so that their problems can be adhered to. And there is a lot of money in the ST budget in the center here to make this taluka, and land is available there. I will give land for collecting, for making the new administrative building. So CMान मातशें लक्ष घालचें. CMान म्हाका प्रॉमिस केला की आपण लक्ष घालतलो. तुकाय लक्ष घालपाक लायता की थंय करचें अशें विनंती करता. हां, फोंड्याचे हांव तेजे कमेंट करना. हांव म्हजें उलयतां. आमचे ST भाव आसा आनी भयणी आसा पळय, इज अ मेजर कम्युनिटी. आतां सगळे सिटां मागपाक लागले, म्हणजे ST रिजर्वेशन कर, हें कर. हांव तेंचे खातीर थंय ST लोक आसा, मेजॉरिटी इज इन दॅट एरिया. विचार ना गोविंद सांगतलो, स्पिकर ना. सो ST जे भाव आसा केपें तालुक्याचे हायस्ट. So with this we can put up a whole administrator, and 3rd district can be made for these people. So हे मातशें करचें अशें विनंती करता. आनी परतून एकदा Speaker sir, I am supporting the demands, opposing the cut motions, but with promise that Honorable Minister has promised me that he will sit with me and address these issues treat by treat. Thank you, Speaker.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.